Hi guys, I'm Gen Z Slangs. The first one is no cap, which means truth. I definitely saw him stealing no cap. 8 means performed very well. She ate it all and left no crumbs. The third one is bet, which means absolutely. The fourth one is bussing, which means excellent. That cake was bussing. The next is clout, which means strong. Social media following. He has a big clout. The next is get. Stop this, it's too funny, I'm dead. The next is extra, which means over the top or dramatic. Stop being so extra, it's just a cuff. The next is gassing someone, which means to support someone. The next is IRL, which means in real life. Honestly, you look better IRL. The next is to flex, which means to brag about someone's qualities. He is really flexing his computer skills. The next is lit, which means cool. This party is getting lit. The next is living rent free. ज़हन में बैठ जाना. Your memory is living rent free in my brain. The next is on fleek, which means excellent. Look at you. Your hair are on fleek. The next is drip, which means fashionable. The next is low D, which means being modest. The next is snack, which means very attractive. The next is salty, which means being unhappy with something. The next is cram, which means to study in a very short time. The next is W, which means a win, and an L, which means a loss. We use this in comments. The next is chicken, which means coward. The next is whack, which means not cool. The next is I'm weak, which means I'm tired. The next is to go Dutch, which means to split food bill among all the persons. The next is dank, which means high quality. That food was dank. The next is delulu, which means delusional. I felt like he was lying. I may be delulu. The last one is no biggie, which means not a big deal. Thank God it was just a dream. No biggie. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe.